Well, this is my storm center. Well, I have a collection of snowshoes here as well. I really can't hang them on a wall, so most of the snowshoes I have out here. And for storms, I got a bunch of these fuel canisters ready to go, and plus I have candle stoves as well, and I have the alcohol stoves. I have a bunch of alcohol ready for those. 99% alcohol. It burns pretty good. 97% I think it is. It kind of burns like gas, but when you have the alcohol stoves, you have to put these in another container to be so that it doesn't burn nothing around it. The stove gets burned. It's just heat up your water or cook your food. And candles. There's some of the candles out there. Plus I have kerosene lanterns. I've got a bunch of fuel for those. And we're well stocked up with canned goods and water. Well, being a city center, it's not like we're going to go days and days without power. But even if it's only just for a few hours, I know I can get food cooked and stuff and keep the boss and the wife happy. And the snowshoes, there's no real place I can put these the metal ones. They're too heavy for plaster walls. Well, you have the big army set there, the titanium ones, and those in these tubs here. They're too heavy for the plaster walls. I'll probably put these little tubs away. If there's enough snowfall this weekend, maybe I'll have a chance to actually use one of these snowshoe sets. That would be nice. Yes. All right. Well, that's enough of that. This is my storm center. And I think I'm prepared enough, yes. I got all kinds of food put ahead, and I've got 6 kerosene lamps, a couple gallons of fuel. That will be, all of this will be plenty to meet up with any storm. I will see you online. I had to stop a cat from flying a box. I'll see you online.